The quality of life that we provide on the maintenance grant side of things, I feel that we are a big part of Pinal County safety.
When I go out and I brush around the stop signs, get all the trees out, where when you pull up to a stop sign, you can actually see.
We do a lot, and it probably helps save a lot, because I know I've seen stop signs getting covered. That's one of the biggest things that scares you when you think about going to a four-way stop. Now it kind of looks like a three-way stop, so people really appreciate coming through and taking care of all that for sure.
From that standpoint, there's a lot of accidents that occur because of trees in the way or bushes.
My team is responsible for making sure the roads are in great shape for our residents.
We do it all, and we're trained for that, and that's what we're supposed to do. They tell us to go do something, let's go do it.
We do a lot with pothole fixing on some of our big roads.
We get stopped about potholes a lot because that's a safety issue, and people don't realize that we are out doing it all the time until it's on their street that they need a pothole fixed. And so then they realize that, yeah, what we do is pretty important to keeping everybody safe.
Right-of-ways along the sides of the road, some of the waterways we got to maintain. My job is to make all those better, to improve them. The roadways, the right-of-ways, maintain them. Take care of them as if it's my own family driving the roads. I do my best to maintain them as best I can.
Number one priority is making sure our people can get to and from their destination safely.
By securing the roads, just making sure these roads are secure, level.
Law enforcement can get to emergencies. Our residents can get to hospitals, churches, schools.
Where they can get home or to work safely. Some of the people in the neighborhood, oh my goodness, they appreciate the fact that we're coming out and we're getting that road secure for them.
People really like what we do. We get stopped a lot talking about how much better the street looks. People take pride in where they live, so I know they really appreciate us coming through and taking care of it for them.
When they do, it obviously means a lot. It shows the work that we put in is making it noticeable for a lot of other people.
They're our bosses, and we want to make sure they're happy. Because I live here and I want to make sure things are good for safety of the public, make it look good. I'm glad to help them. That's part of our job. Makes me feel good that they're happy. As long as they're happy, we're happy.